Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the OurLeeme work light. It is an LED light emitted diode workshop lamp with 7 modes and 2 times XPE plus COB LEDs. And it's IP67 waterproof torch. 360 rotation COB magnetic work lamp for car, for camping, for workshop, for DIY projects, and of course for emergency situations. It's really cool because it's a super bright COB work light. The workshop lamp LED with 24 super bright lamp beads, work light with LED comes up to 800 lumens. That's a lot. That means 20% brighter than other models on the market, for example. The work light has a battery life of approximately 6 hours and 3.5 hours at a full brightness. With XPE wick, the range is longer and the lightning range is from 150 up to incredible 300 meter. In this small device, I think. It's really cool. And we have 7 lightning modes. There are 3 types of LED workshop work lights. 2 times XPE, COB with white light and COB red light. 7 lightning modes can be switched with only one button. The LED flashlight on, dim, flash, COB light on, dim, red light, SOS. Woo! That's a lot of stuff, so in a so small torch here. And also, it's a power bank work light. This inspection light contains a 3000 mAh battery. We can charge it with a power bank, a computer, a charging adapter, etc. With the USB output design, the work light can also charge our electronic devices such as smartphones or tablets in an emergency situations. We have a portable LED work light here. The rechargeable LED hand lamp features comes with magnets and a hook bracket. 180 degrees adjustable head and a 360 degrees infinite rotation is possible, which is convenient for us to use in different environments. The IP waterproof level can also be used as an emergency light in bad weathers. And it's a multifunctional mini LED work light. This LED work light can also be used as a flashlight, a camping light, a safety light, a maintenance light, an emergency light, an emergency power supply, and more. Due to its small size, it also fits in every glove compartment, and it is ideal for a companion for car trips. It is CE, FCC, PSE, and UKCA certificated. This has been completely for our safety, and it works really cool. You can see how bright it is, and at the same time, it's so small, but it's bright, so bright, super, really cool. We have a COB white and red light LED center beam. Then we have 2 XPE torch lights, and we have a strong magnet case with 3 strong magnets. We have 1 USB connector, USB-C and USB-A, and we have an on and off switch in the button way. It's really easy to operate. Oh yeah. 2 times XPE strong lights, 2 times XPE low lights, 2 times XPE flash, and a COB glare, a COB low light. We can press 3 seconds on in the on and off switch to turn on the COB light. If we only press, for example, for a blink, it will go on the XPE light without the red function. It is not red. It is white in this case. Really cool. And the case is made out of aluminum alloy and ABS. The weight is around about 182 grams. The product size is 12.8 to 5.3 to 3.6 centimeter. We press the switch easily to use that device. It comes with a built-in 1800 mAh power, 18650 battery. And the charging method is Type C USB charging support. Output 5 watt 1 ampere if you need it. We have a zoom mode, it is fixed focus. The waterproof level is IP6. The lumens are XPE 480 lumen, 480 lumen, COB 800 lumen. That means the XPE is not so bright than the MCO part of the lamp, but it's okay. It's really okay. The range is around about 100 meters of range. The charging time 3 hours. The battery life is 3 up to 8 hours. The features are with magnet, with a hook hold adjustable by 180 degrees. The head can be freely rotated 360 degrees as you like. And it's everything in the box what we like. We need with the working light and USB cable. The USB cable is to recharge the device. For example, you can use your smartphone or AC adapter to recharge this OurLeeme work light here. It's an LED workshop lamp with 7 modes, 2 times XPE plus COB LED, IP67 waterproof. It's a torch, a 360 rotating torch, and a COB magnetic work lamp for a car, for camping, for workshop, and of course for emergency situations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.